Assalamu alaikum. May Almighty's blessings be upon all of you. Today I'm going to show you a very quick recipe of chicken Shammi kebab. Shammi kebabs are crisp fried patties possessing a delectable taste and a superb mouthfeel. These delicious kebabs are easy to make and can be a perfect snack for iftar, or even you can serve it with your main meal. So let's get started. For making these wonderful kebabs, I have taken 150 grams of split Bengal gram lentil or chana dal that I had soaked overnight. It's soft, or you can use a cooker. You have to cook it up to 4 to 6 whistles or till it's soft. Then I have taken one egg. Then I have taken boneless chicken that I have boiled and shredded, as you can see here. I have used food processor to shred it. Then I have taken ginger garlic paste around 1 tablespoon, salt around 1 tablespoon, or you can adjust according to your taste. Dried red chilies, I have soaked them in water. If you don't have dried chilies, you can use red chili powder. Then I have taken green coriander and green chilies. Chilies you can adjust according to your taste. Then I have taken cumin seed powder 1 tablespoon. Then I have taken 2 onions finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Processor jar, I have added the dal, and then I'll be adding chicken, then all the other ingredients, onions, chilies, garam masala, salt, coriander powder, cumin seed powder, green coriander, and chilies. Chilies you can adjust according to your taste. If you like it more hot, then you can add. Then we have to grind it. We have to grind it on medium speed because this has to be fibrous. It doesn't have to be a paste. So here you can see. Now I will add egg. I had not added egg yet, so I'll add the egg. Then again I will keep grinding it till it becomes smooth. One thing we have to remember, it has to be fibrous. It doesn't have to be complete paste. So here you can see I will grind it slightly more, and make sure you grind it on medium speed, not on high speed. So it will take some time. You have to be slightly patient. So here you can see after a few more pulses, now it will be ready. So this is the texture. I'll show you the texture. This has to be the texture. It's not paste, it's fibrous. Now I have taken some oil and I'll moist my hands like this, and then I'll make small patties or Shammi kebabs. Here you can see like this we have to make. Here you can also freeze them. You can freeze them up to 1 month. You can see I have shaped all the kebabs or patties. Now I'll keep them in fridge for half an hour, then we will fry them. Or if you have to freeze them, you can just let them set a bit and then you can freeze them in airtight container. Now I have heated up oil. I had not shown you earlier. I have taken around 1 cup of oil and I have added kebabs. And here we have to keep low to medium flame. We don't have to fry them on high flame because then they won't be fried inside. They will remain raw inside. I'll keep flipping them so that they won't burn. Here you can see after around 5-7 minutes I'll flip them. They should be crispy on surface and they're soft inside. They taste really great. This stage you can see they are almost ready, so I'll take them out from oil and keep them on kitchen towel to soak the extra oil. Likewise I will do with the rest of kebabs. Here these kebabs are also ready. As I have shown you in this video that these are very easy to make kebabs, and I have already shown you a detailed video of Shammi kebabs that I'll be leaving a link in the description box, where I have used raw chicken with bones to make Shammi kebabs. This one was a very quick recipe for Ramadan. With this quick recipe also they taste really good. Just one thing, you have to make sure that the dal should be properly cooked, or if you have soaked it, it should be soft. I had soaked it overnight. So here you can see the Shammi kebabs are ready. These kebabs are tongue pleasing, aromatic and flavorful. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Remember in duas, Allah Hafiz.